Hi everyone, welcome to IQ Search. What do you think is the value of the expression 12 squared plus 16 divided by 8 then times 6? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's break it down a step by step together. To solve this problem, many people start by calculating 12 square first, and instead of the original expression, they write it as 144 plus 16 divided by 8 and then times 6. In the next step, they usually perform the addition between 144 and 16, and simplifying the expression to 160 divided by 8 times 6. Then they proceed by doing the division between 160 and 8, which gives them 20 times 6. And finally they multiply the 20 times 6, which ends up with the answer 120. But that's definitely wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows the priority of mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must perform all the operations strictly from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay? As you can see in the image in this expression, we have an exponent first, then an addition followed by a division, and finally multiplication. Now according to PEMDAS rule, we should start with the exponent because in this expression exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So this expression simplifies to 12 times 12 equals 144 plus 16. Then divided by 8 times 6. In the next step we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 16 and 8. And this expression simplifies to 144 plus 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Then times 6. In this expression we have addition and multiplication. Now it's time to do the multiplication. 144 plus 2 times 6 equals 12. And 144 plus 12 equals to 156. Finally, the value of this expression is equal to 156. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.